Apple Watch screenshot. What you're seeing on the slide there where it says turn off sleep focus, I just thought that was fun. My watch, when we had to get up early to go catch a flight, my watch beeped at me and said, "It looks like you're awake." I thought that was fun. I wanted to have a screenshot of that to put in my photo album. So how do I do that? Here is my Apple Watch. And let's say that I want to brag to people who are up north and it's getting snowy that we are at 86 degrees and all day long it's going to be sunny and 86, 85, 83, 81. How do I take a screenshot? Well, there's actually two buttons. And just like most all devices, you press both of the buttons. This one is called the digital crown. That round one is called the digital crown. And then this kind of flat one is just called the side button. Press both of them at once and let go and see how it blinked white. A lot of devices, you're supposed to press two buttons and kind of hold them for a second. That does not work on the Apple Watch. You have to press, just punch them and let go. One thing I read said hold down on one and then just press the other, but that hasn't worked for me either. I press both of them quickly. Where does that photo go? It goes to my phone because the Apple Watch and the phone are connected. If you don't use Google Photos, then you would just look in your photos and there is the screenshot I just took. But if you do use Google Photos, you will see it there as well. There's the screenshot I just took. Cool. Anything that you see on your watch, you can take a screenshot of.